Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a review on a really exciting collection, and this is the Unicorn collection from Makeup Revolution. And hence why I look like this. I don't normally look like this, but yeah. Do you like it? I think it's cute. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm gonna review one palette from this collection, 5 of these lipsticks that they have, and then 4 of this long lipsticks. So this look that I'm wearing today I created using all these products, and I'm just gonna give you my thoughts on them. Okay, let's start with the palette. The palette is one of those palettes that you will use once or twice in your lifetime because it's got these really crazy colors that you probably wouldn't use on a daily basis. At least I wouldn't. But they're really special and really interesting. So for my look today, I've used this all over the lid, and then I've used these two pinks all over the lid to create the pinkish shade, and then I've used this color over here to do the purpley inner eye. Now if you want to use these colors, I would suggest using them wet, not all of them, but obviously the shimmery ones. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, half of them. But yeah, if you use some Fix Plus, or if you use water or anything like that, they would give you a more intense shimmery look. Now one color I was really impressed with is this color over here, and this color over here is exactly the same color as the whitish color in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. If you remember that palette, they used to be a white color. It looks white in the pan, but then when you actually use it, it's more like a pinkish shade. And I've used this one in the inner corners of my eyes and as a highlight as well, and it looks so nice as a highlight. As you can guys see, it's really like pearly, and it's got a pinkish tint to it. It's really nice. I really like it. The thing with it though, it's so powdery. It sort of gives you lots of fallout when you dip your brush into it. I mean, these palettes are really cheap, and you should expect fallout from them, but this color gives you a bit extra fallout, so a bit more than normal. Okay, so I'll just quickly swatch these colors on my hand for you. Here you go guys, these are the swatches on my hand. I think they're really beautiful. They're really good for a summer festival or something like that. But if I was to compare these shadows with normal Makeup shadows, the ones that they do in chocolate boxes, they're definitely not the same quality. I would say that these are a bit less pigmented and a bit harder to work with. I mean, I didn't have problems putting them on my eyes, but I don't know, they're just not as smooth as I'm used to. Now the only color that actually compares with the Makeup chocolate palettes is this one over here, and this is the brown matte color. And it's very smooth, it applied really well, and it's really easy to blend as well. But the rest of them are, I don't know, very different in texture. Every single one of them is a different sort of texture, so I can't possibly explain every single one of them. This is a close-up of the palette. Hopefully you can see the colors better. This color over here, it's so beautiful. This one over here is just like a very intense gray, shimmery, pearly color. It's very beautiful. Okay, and let me just show you the swatches for them. Now these are the swatches, guys. What you need to remember is that they don't look as intense because I didn't use them wet here, and these colors work much better when they are wet. I've just dipped my finger into them and swatched them, but when I used them onto my eyes, I used Fix Plus, so it really showed in a different way. Okay guys, so now into the lipsticks. The lipsticks are really crazy colored. I mean, I would never wear something like that, but lately it's very fashionable to wear something like that. So if you are into very metallic lipsticks, go ahead. If you can rock this, then you go girl. Anyways, let me just start with these ones. These are called I Heart Revolution Unique Unicorns lipsticks. When you open it, it's a beautiful packaging. It's this really beautiful purplish shiny color, and then this is how big the lipstick is. And it smells so good. They all smell really, really, really good. Honestly, it smells like caramel. Like candy and caramel. It's so nice. I would eat this probably. It's so nice. These lipsticks are a completely different texture from these ones, and they are almost like a lip balm. They smell really nice and they apply really smoothly. I mean, you wouldn't feel it as a lipstick. It's much more comfortable to wear than a normal lipstick, and I'm gonna do the swatches for all of these on my hand because I don't want to do them on my lips today because I don't know, I'll just do them on my hand. Okay, so let's start with this one, which is called Wildflower, and this is how it looks. It is a very, very gentle nude color. Although it is shiny, it's very pearly. It's very nice. I would use this one probably somewhere. It's not very crazy color. The next one is this one, which is called Purple Wings. And let's see how the purple wings look like. As you would expect, this is purple. So it is purplish, also very pearly, but not very strong. I think this one would be the alternative for this one. If you didn't like this one, if you thought this one is too intense, this one looks really, really cute. Okay guys, so into the next lipstick. This one is called Fantasy Realm, and it is a pinkish purplish color. And let me show you how this swatches. This is more intense, I would say. You can properly see the color in this one, and it is pearly as well. It has tiny bits of glitter in it. So yeah. Okay, so this one, it is a beautiful one. It's called Magical Delight, and it is so beautiful, as you can guys see. This color is just like purple, but with lots of glittery rainbow bits in it. So let's see how this looks. So this is it, guys. It's pinkier than it actually looks in the package, as you can see, but it is very, very beautiful. I think this one is my favorite one after the Wildflower one. Okay, so into the last one. The last one is called Pink Wish, and obviously it's a pink one. I mean, it's not a very intense pink. I would say more of a like baby pink, pearly baby pink. Let me just see how this swatches. So yeah, this is more of a baby pink, I would say. It is very beautiful. It depends what you like. I would probably be able to use that somewhere. I don't know where, but I would be able to use it because it's not that crazy. It's pink, it's a bit pearly, and yeah, I can definitely see myself trying this one. Okay guys, so now into these lipsticks. These lipsticks are a bit cheaper than these ones. These ones are 4 quid each, and these ones are 3. The one that I'm wearing on my lips right now is this one, which is called Fantasy. As you can see, it's really, really cute. It's very, very strong and very pigmented. As I was applying it, I didn't need a lip liner or anything like that. It's very, very strong. Out of all these that I have, I would probably be able to use more often this one, which is the Whimsical. And the Whimsical is probably like an alternative to the Wildflower, and these are very beautiful. I would definitely get these if I was you. You can wear them at a party as well, but you could probably wear them on a daily basis as well because they're very nude. I mean, they're shiny, but they're nude. Okay you guys, so here they are. I've swatched them on my hand. Hopefully you can see they're so shiny. This is the one I'm wearing. This is the one I said it's wearable on a daily basis. This one I would probably use if I would go to a rock concert of some sort, and this one is called Majestic, and it is very majestic. It's very beautiful. I mean, you just have to have the guts to wear it. I could probably rock it at some point, but I don't know. You just have to be crazy enough to do that. And the last one is this one, and this one it's called Immortal, and it's more of like a very intense reddish pink, I would say. And I would say this is, out of all of them, this is the most pigmented. Now, one really cool thing that I want to mention as well is the smell of these as well. I mean, they smell just like the other ones. They smell like caramel, like candy. It's such a nice feeling when you put them on your lips because it smells so nice. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Please leave me comments down below with questions. I'm gonna try and put all the names in the link down below. Sorry for not trying them on. They're just so glittery. They're really difficult to remove from your lips. Like these ones take a while to remove from your lips, so I didn't want to hurt myself today. Be nice to myself. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye!